Hi, friends. I know that many of you are wondering, when will President Biden's Build Back Better bill be signed into law? Also, what changes will Democrats make to the social spending bill in order to gain Senate Democrat Joe Manchin's support? So in today's video, I want to share with you all of the exact details of the next fourth stimulus package. Please remember, friends, that I'm here every day to bring you the latest, most reliable, and accurate stimulus news information. I want to support all seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries as much as possible. So please, friends, make sure to share this video on social media and with your friends if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Now, the second challenge we're facing are prices. COVID-19 has created a lot of economic complications, including rapid price increases across the world economy. People see it at the gas pumps, the grocery stores, and elsewhere. So, here's what we're going to do. A critical job in making sure that the elevated prices don't become entrenched rests with the Federal Reserve, which has a dual mandate: full employment and stable prices. The Federal Reserve provided extraordinary support during the crisis for the previous year and a half. Given the strength of our economy and the pace of recent price increases, it's appropriate, as the Federal Chairman, the Fed Chairman Powell, has indicated, to recalibrate the support that is now necessary. I respect the Fed's independence, and I've nominated 5 superb individuals to serve on the Federal Board of Governors, men and women from a variety of ideological perspectives. They're eminently qualified, historically diverse, and have earned bipartisan praise. And I call on the United States Senate to confirm them without any further delay.
Alrighty, everyone. So if you are a senior, then please make sure to continue watching until the end of this video, because I will be sharing with you very important details that you need to know about your next stimulus relief package. Today, CNBC News reported that a public health emergency could cause millions of Americans to lose Medicaid coverage. The bad news is that up to 15 million people, including 6 million children, are at great risk of losing Medicaid coverage once the public health emergency ends. State and federal officials are scrambling to prepare for this. So there are millions of Americans that are in desperate need of help from the government right now. But the despair could become even worse next month as a national public health emergency comes to an end. That could lead to millions of people losing access to Medicaid and other benefits. The one good news is that some of our government officials are working on finding new ways to get more relief passed for the American people. Across our country, agencies are preparing for the unraveling of the expanded social safety net that was created in response to this crisis. And most importantly, the end of continuous Medicaid coverage. That will be the end of the public health emergency, unless the Biden administration decides to extend it. The provision, which is a requirement under the Families First Crisis Response Act, was passed in March of 2020. It prevented states from removing Medicaid recipients from the program's rolls. At least 11 million people have enrolled in Medicaid since February of 2020. There are up to 15 million people, including nearly 6 million children, who are at risk of losing Medicaid when the protection expires. According to the Urban Institute, an economic and policy research think tank, the change could have an outsized effect on millions of Americans. But the analysis also has announced that many people are likely to be eligible for other forms of subsidized coverage. But there is a concern that few people will know that they are in danger of losing Medicaid and are eligible for other types of health insurance. There have been few attempts to communicate this to those who will be affected, but not every state is approaching the problem the same way. And friends, that is why I am sharing this news with all of you in this video. I want you all to be aware of this upcoming issue. In some cases, people who will be scrambling to assess their eligibility and potentially trying to find new healthcare plans could be met by states looking for ways to tighten their fiscal belts by aggressively removing people from their Medicaid rolls. And as of now, states are required to keep people on the Medicaid rolls during the public health emergency, unless they move out of the state or ask to be removed. When the public health emergency ends, states will have 12 months to go through enrollment and determine everyone's eligibility status. But thousands of government officials and healthcare advocates emphasize how large a shift in the American healthcare coverage that this would be, and noted that this would occur while the country is still struggling with the widespread of this new crisis. So friends, what are your thoughts on Medicaid coming to an end for millions of Americans? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, we all know how Democrats spent much of January on a failed effort to pass voting rights legislation, which is a top priority in the party. With their endeavor now in shambles, they are refocusing their attention on passing a scaled-back version of their Build Back Better legislation, perhaps in chunks, as stated by President Biden. But Senator Manchin just told Insider once again that any future negotiations with the White House would be starting from scratch. It raises the prospect that legislation would take several more weeks or even months to clear the 50-50 Senate with only Democratic votes. That would mean a whole new round of Democrats working to figure out what parts of their domestic agenda that Joe Manchin is willing to support. Friends, the keyword for this video is sunflower. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and also any other keyword from any of my videos that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. It is possible the following provisions may be dropped. This includes Obamacare fixes and prescription price controls, universal pre-K, and $500 billion in climate spending. So friends, what do you think should be cut from the Build Back Better bill? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. That is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here every day. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away $100 Walmart gift cards every Friday. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click and like my videos. And please do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so very much, friends, and have a very, very blessed Monday.